Hi, what's going on YouTube? This is me Dishan Hormuz and I'm back with another hot crypto project. Today just want to talk about Anchor protocol and I want to give you complete detail about this one project and all the related link about this one project you will be getting in the video description. So you can check them all one by one before you start. A small disclaimer. This is not going to be any investment advice. My job is to find and introduce you about the most trusted and reliable project. Always do your own research before investing in any project. And please make sure if you are new to channel, so please subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon so you won't miss any update from Dishan Hormuz. So let's get started regarding Anchor protocol. Basically, what is Anchor protocol? You can also indicate from the main dashboard, from the main website of this one project. You can see there's many people who are trade there, and you can see they almost get up to 9.49% APR. And if you look to the main earning page, you can see you will be receive interest almost 19.45% easily. So this is some this is same like to PancakeSwap and as well as Uniswap. If you look to PancakeSwap, you can also on different type of APY from there, and you can also stake your ANC right over here in this one site. So this is same like to PancakeSwap. But if you look to this one, there is a different type of strategies. First of all, you must be connect with them right here. If you connect with them, after that your ANC will be sent in this one page, or you can also easy buy ANC in this one page. You can see if you look to the main dashboard. I just want to open you the main dashboard. If you look to the main dashboard, simply you right over here, you simply swap ANC with the pair of BNB or Ethereum or USDT. But first of all, it is too much important to connect your wallet with the wallet connect, or you can see there's a different type of option, install Terra Station, because these projects are working on Terra Station. And you can see you can also install the Lip wallet and install the XDEFY wallet, so you can connect any one in these one wallets. But I want to recommend it, you must be connect wallet connect, because wallet connect is too much flexible than others. And you can see there's many option for all of you. You can simply lock your balance right over here, and you will be earn almost up to 9.49 APR from their sides. So this is also pretty good for this one project, because this project is same like to PancakeSwap. If you look to PancakeSwap, there is a different type of earning. You can also earn money by just tracking your token, and you can also enter your add your token to liquidity pool. So there's also different type of option. You can see if you want to stake your account, you ANC, so you will be get different type of reward, and you simply claim all the rewards right over here. And if you look to earning option, you can see there's a different type of almost 19.45% APY. So this is also too much pretty good. And if you look to bro is almost net APR is 5.14%. And you can see there's a different type of strategies. So you simply also study about that. And you can see there's some detail about the claim reward. You can also withdraw your Luna, and you will be add the Luna right over here. There's some detail about that. And after that, I just want to looking for the main coin market cap. You can see if you look to the main coin market cap, this project getting more and more pump in some time. If you look to this one project, you can see in January 21 to 2022, this project is continuously on uptrend. You can see if we draw the one line, so we can directly say that this is an uptrend line, and this project getting a huge spike in some time in just a 1 month. So basically, I just want to scroll down, and I just want to give you some important about the all-time high and all-time low. So you can see a year ago they almost create $8.31. It means that they almost getting spike up to 36.11%. And if you look to all-time low is a month ago, and it is almost 300 or 19.11%. so it means that this is too much risky right now, because I just want to give you some important news about this one project as well as. But if you wanted to buy this one project, you simply buy this one project from Binance, KuCoin and Get.io. But I want to recommend you to buy from Binance, because Binance is too much flexible than others. And if you look to the main Twitter account, you can see right over here the community is also too much better. It is almost 170.5 k followers, means that community is also too much better. And I just want to go to the coin market call, but there's no any event on coin market call. You can see there's no upcoming event for Anchor protocol, so there's no any upcoming event for this one project. But if you want to get some important tell about the hidden events, so you simply study about the white paper, because if you study about the white paper, so you will be able to check out the complete history about this one project and what is the roadmap of this one project. So you simply click on that, you will be able to study about the roadmap. And you can see, if you look to tags, tag is Cosmos ecosystem and Ringstone XRP Capital Portfolio and Terra ecosystem. But if you look to this one project, you can see this project is also working on Ethereum blockchain. So if you want to buy from others like UNICEF, so you simply copy this one address. You will be able to buy this one project from UNICEF easily just by copying this one address. After that, I just want to go to the main news of this one project. You can see this is the news of this one project. You can see Anchor Protocol ANC, this decentralized finance platform built on the Terra blockchain protocol, rebounded nearly 300% in over a month after bottoming out near 1.26. I'm already told about that because this is too much risky. ANC price went as high as 4.97 on the Bitfinex cryptocurrency exchange on March 3, 2022, breaking above the previous record peak near 4.5 established on December 3 last year. In doing so, the Anchor protocol also erased all the losses it had incurred during what's some called the crypto winter that started in question 421. I'm all told about it. So if you want to study about the main events about this one project, you simply study from the main white paper, and you can see this is the event who are in 2021, and this is the Q4 event of this one project. This is also recorded in the main white paper, so you also study about the main roadmap of this one project. And this is all detail about this one project. This is some important detail about that this project. I just want to clarify some important point, and I hope you will be clear, because I'm already clear this point from the main all-time high and all-time low. So this is all detail about this one project. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, so please subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon so you won't miss any update from the Shan Hormuz. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.